Well, when you say any two given vectors are equal, so any two given physical quantities having same magnitude and same direction are always referred to as equal vectors. What do you mean by that? Which means if you are measuring a physical quantity like velocity, if two cars are heading in the same direction, let's say they are heading in the north direction with a speed of 18 meter per second, then you say that those vectors are equal because they are moving in the same direction. They're moving towards the north, and also they're moving with the same magnitude of speed, which is 18 meter per second. Such vectors are referred to as equal vectors. But how do we represent equal vectors? So equal represent vectors can be, vectors are represented with a straight line with an arrow mark. So suppose if you are representing one velocity OA, okay, so if this is the velocity vector, it is heading in this direction. Similarly, you have another velocity vector OB, which is also heading in the same direction as this. They both are heading in the same direction, okay, with equal, you see that the length of the vector gives you the magnitude of the vectors. So their length is also same, so they have the same length, right, which gives you the magnitude, same length and heading in the same direction. Such vectors so are equal vectors. So this vector v1, if this is vector v1 and vector v2, they are equal. So vector v1 is equal to vector v2. Also the magnitude of vector e1 is equal to vector e2. When do you say two vectors are not equal vectors? Very simple. When they have probably the same magnitude, let's take the same vectors, they have the same magnitude, but let's say they are heading in opposite directions. So one is heading in this direction, one is heading in the opposite direction. You see this vector is heading in the opposite direction, although it has the same magnitude. So here both OA, magnitude of OA is same as magnitude of OB, both are equal, which is equal to 18 meter per second. But when you talk about the direction, one is heading towards this direction, another is heading towards this direction, they are heading in the opposite direction. So such vectors cannot be called as equal vectors. For any vector to be called as equal vector, it has to head in the same direction. So one vector, suppose velocity of a car, one car is moving with a speed of 18 meter per second due east, another car is moving with the same velocity due north, then you cannot call such vectors as equal vectors. But if they're moving in the same direction, also if both of them